I'm Cody with Fox 17, and we're here at the Blank Park Zoo, and we're talking about aquatic animals. I'm joined by Kelsey Kovacevic, and she's going to tell us about some of the more interesting aquatic animal exhibits you have here at the zoo.
Yeah, so we have multiple exhibits that house aquatic animals. The first biggest one you're going to probably see is actually our aquariums that are inside the Discovery Center.
Okay.
So when you make your way through the Discovery Center through the free flight bird aviary area, to the bottom there's going to be a bunch of aquariums. We have freshwater and saltwater ones. And our biggest one is our reef tank that houses many fish that you would find kind of in the ocean in the reef area as well. And then we have a Pacific Northwest one that is a cold water tank, so something that you might see if you lived, you know, more in the northern parts of the Pacific Ocean. Right. So yeah.
Cool. So you mentioned the Discovery Center, and I understand that there's a Panamanian frog that's pretty cool. So tell us about that.
Absolutely. So the Panamanian golden frog is one of the species that we have here at the zoo. It is actually considered critically endangered on the ICUN list, but in the wild they haven't really been seen in a couple of years, so there is a little bit speculation that they might be functionally extinct in the wild. Here at the zoo we actually house males, so we aren't breeding them, but the SSP program, like other zoos like San Diego and stuff, have a really big program that they are breeding Panamanians. The biggest issue in the wild is they're dying from chytrid fungus, which grows on their skin. Amphibians absorb everything through their skin and they breathe, so this fungus grows all over their skin and it suffocates them essentially.
What a way to go.
Yeah, it sounds very painful. But more amphibians are having the same issue as well. The Panamanian golden frog is very known because in Panama, that is actually their national animal. It basically represents good fortune. So for them, it's a little bit more dear to heart that they do want to try to save it. And there's multiple conservation programs in that country as well that are trying to bring them back.
Okay, and what can people here in the United States or in Iowa do to try and help, not just the Panamanian golden frog, but aquatic animals?
Absolutely. Obviously, we don't have any ocean here, but we have a lot of lakes and rivers. One of the biggest things is to make sure you recycle your plastic. Bags easily get blown from maybe recycling bins or just somewhere into the waterways, and many animals can eat those. Fish, turtles, other mammals maybe like otters. They see it, maybe looks like food, and they do ingest that. It can cause mortality in those animals, but if fish are eating the plastic and we eat the fish,
then we're eating the plastic.
Then we're eating the plastic. So it kind of all comes back. And in the ocean, sea turtles especially, they think plastic bags are jellyfish, so they do ingest those, and it's not good for them as well. So recycling, using reusable bags at the grocery store. But if you're like me, I forget my reusable bags all the time. So I do ask for paper bags. And then I actually bring our paper bags into work here because a lot of the animals here get paper bags for enrichment. So we can get a couple uses out of them through our program, our enrichment program here.
All right. Fantastic. Thank you. That was a lot of great information. I wouldn't think of animals ingesting them. Normally when you think plastic, you think they're getting caught in it, not eating it. So that's a very good little bit of information. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for talking with us. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit the Blank Park Zoo's website at blankparkzoo.com. Follow them on all their social channels. And of course, get out and visit the zoo this summer.